Hey guys, and now we're back. Now I've found the jet car that's going to be starting up today, so we're going to have a good look around it. This looks like an absolute weapon. So they're going to be doing a fire up of this beast today, so that'll be the grand finale for this video. So they've got a bit of a bit of a ramp here or something for the flames. Now this is going to be cool. So I thought I'd have a nice little look around of this thing before they do a big fire up today. This will be one hell of a way to end a video. That's pretty cool. Okay guys, I'll see you when they do a big fire up of this beast, and we'll see you soon. Alright guys, we're getting ready for the big fire up. Crowd's here waiting. That should be good. Well, the air plugs are getting dished out. Looks like we're just about ready to get ready to go. Looks like they're just doing all their last minute preps.
Thank you for waiting around to the end of the day to watch us. For those who haven't seen it before, it is very loud, so if you have children, please be careful, the noise are blocked or whatnot. Especially the ones up in the tree there, when it goes boom, please don't fall out. I want to make a huge thank you to our sponsors, Mount Shop, St. John Ambulance, and everyone else that's helped make this happen here on Weels. We hope you enjoy the show. Again, it's very loud, it's going to be hot, so don't get it quiet.
Okay, it looks like we're in for a goodie. Sounds like it's going to be loud too. Ah, here we go. What a grand finale this is going to be. Ooh.
Okay, we're about to fire up very soon. You need earplugs or, yeah, something in your ears, please. Hold on to everything.
Oh, here we go. Hell yeah! Oh, hell yeah! That was wicked. Oh, it did. Oh, now that was impressive. All the way through. Wow, what a way to finale this video. Hope it wasn't too loud for everyone. Oh boy, you can feel the heat coming off that thing. Now that was wicked. Oh guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry about it, it's all cut and paste together, but it's been done throughout the whole day. So it's all been chopped together throughout the whole day, so I hope you enjoyed. And yeah, remember to like, comment and subscribe to the channel for more car show videos coming very soon. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.